Hello again, everybody. Welcome to another eBay box break. This is for 2011-2012 Panini Elite box break number 2. Here's the last team up for auction. Here's Edmonton. Show you the serial number. NE99245314. Let's get on with the break. Good luck, everybody. Base. Rookie for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Alan York. Base and base. Base. And a die cut aspirations for the Colorado Avalanche, Ryan Wilson. Avalanche. Base and base. Base. Decoy. Base and base. Base. We have a Passing the Torch autograph card for the New Jersey Devils of Adam Henrique. And on the back, we have Doug Gilmour. So dual auto card. See this 10/97. Nice card for the Devils. Base and base. Base. We have Elite Series for the Detroit Red Wings, Steve Yzerman. Base. We have a die cut aspirations for the Canucks, Luongo. Base. Base. And a Stars card of Matt Duchene for the Colorado Avalanche. Decoy. Base and base. And base. And we have a hit for the Canucks, the rookie card of Eddie Lack. Auto card. Hit for the Canucks. Base and base. Base and base. Base. Here for the Flyers, die cut aspirations of James Van Riemsdyk. Base and base. Base. They have a rookie card for the Rangers, Cam Talbot. Decoy. Base. Base. Here we have a hit die cut status card for the Devils of Martin Brodeur. 48/99. Base. You got something thick in this pack. Base. Here we have a nice hit It's a new breed rookie card, a prime of Cody Eakin. It's a patch card, 22/25. Nice hit for the Capitals. Base. Yeah, base. A die cut aspirations card, Mikko Koivu for Minnesota Wild. Base. Base. Elite Series for the Colorado Avalanche, Joe Sakic. Decoy. Base. We have a rookie stars for the Edmonton Oilers, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Hit for the Oilers. Base. Have base. A die cut aspirations card for the Sabres of Jonas Enroth. Base. Have base. Decoy. Base. Last pack. I have base. We have another hit for the Devils. New breed jersey card of Adam Henrique. Hit for the Devils. And base. So thank you very much again for watching. Hope to see you again next time.